guys, today we are in Molaison with Maryanne. Our goal was to take cool photos in the snow, and now we are looking at the start of the forest and see if we can get snow in the trees. Oh, here.
So I could stand on the rock.
Okay.
And then we could see nice treetops that are full of snow.
And that's nice because there's no sun here, and so we won't have the sun in your eyes face. Okay, let's do that.
White gloves is not a good idea.
No?
Nope.
Are they black already?
No, it's fine.
Don't hurt yourself. This is ASMR. I'm very afraid. Oh, maybe here. This is the new action lolita. Maryanne can do that. I don't know if I can.
Okay.
So gracious.
Look, you can't wear any shoes. That means we have to be barefoot.
So go ahead. No.
Go against the rules.
Ah, okay, be a rebel.
We're a rebel. Anyway, I'm a wild animal today. So wild animals can go wherever they want, do whatever they want. No rules.
The wild Maryanne. Ah, we could do, okay, I have an idea. You could do like a wild Pokemon appeared and I throw you something.
A snowball.
A snowball, like a Pokeball.
Oh,
but maybe at the full end, just in case it ruins your dress.
That's true.
But we have to do that. Okay.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Okay, so let's do, there's a nice shot here, so we're doing pictures here. Okay.
We're gonna try and, she's gonna try and jump so that there's no traces on the snow.
Because here it's ugly and there's ugly things like, so. I don't know. Okay.
Well, at least there's a, it's fine if I do like this. It's almost like there's nothing.
Okay. Do you want me to try and hide it?
No, I think this is nice. We'll do this.
Okay. So there is a miniature golf here. So let's see if there's anything good to take photos in. There's an animal.
It's so cute.
I cannot identify what this is.
I think it's a deer. Look at how it's.
Oh yeah.
That's so cute. It went golfing.
Yeah, see, it stopped right here. Oh no.
Oh no.
Never mind, it went directly for the 18th hole. So it was so freezing that we decided to leave, and we had all our photos, we were happy. And so we decided now to go visit the chocolate factory that is not far. So like for the 10 times, and Maryanne's mother has not been there yet. So
I haven't been there yet either.
oh, you have never been there?
No.
How come? Okay, so let's all visit the chocolate factory. Are you happy that you can finally
Yes.
taste chocolate?
I've been like, is this when we taste? Is this when we taste?
The whole
Finally.
thing. Finally, this is where you can try the chocolate. We ended up in the chocolate factory
Yes.
after the snow. Did you enjoy it?
I thought it was amazing. The decor is absolutely beautiful. Each room is like really nicely decorated, and it's a really interesting history that goes really way back to the Aztecs. And it was fun. The doors were automatic, and it was every like 5 minutes, so it was nice. Yeah.
You should visit this chocolate factory in Switzerland if you come, because it's really cool. I've been like 10 times because I bring everybody here that comes to Switzerland, but I love it so much that I come every time, so I'm happy that you liked it.
It was amazing, yeah. And the chocolate was good.
Yeah. So now we are going for pizza at my place, watch a movie, so probably we will remove a lot of this, so we'll finish the vlog here, I guess. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye.